Malik Legal Solicitors. When your rights are at stake, you need experienced lawyers. Our experienced team of professionals can assist you in all matters, including immigration, civil litigation, criminal law, commercial law, family law, hearing loss, personal injury, RTA, entrepreneur, JR applications. Call us 0161 7956
0161 795 6217. Malik Legal Solicitor. You're watching MLS Legal TV. Share it and like it. Channel is for you. Your question answered here. MLS Legal TV. We are here on the MLS Legal TV. Today evening we have a very special guest. As always, we have Malik Makbul Malik. Today we are here having a Mr. Rufus Elara. He is expert in the immigration laws and conditions, what's happening in the country and how to approach, how to get things in, how to facilitate. We will be asking certain question from him. Before we go and ask the question, we will welcome him on MLS Legal TV. Thank you very much for giving your time, Mr. Elara. I must say, is it okay for if we call you Elara or Mr. Elara?
That's correct, Elara.
Elara. Elara, I would like to ask you your expertise in the immigration. And immigration has so many sectors to deal with, like we have asylum, we have different part of it. So your expertise on the immigration.
That's correct.
Okay, so we'll like to ask about, suppose someone comes from the country and he does not declare on the airport as he has a problem in the country and he seeks asylum after coming from out of the airport. Is it possible?
Yeah, it is very possible. If someone coming from abroad.
Yeah, and he does not declare himself on the airport that I have a problem in my country.
Yeah.
He enters it on a visit visa or any other visa.
Yeah.
And he enters the country.
Yeah.
And then he says, I have a problem, I don't want to go back, and he seeks asylum. So what would be the condition that time?
Yeah, there's so many reasons why people come to the UK, or some people come into the UK without, who do not have any issue at the point they come into the UK. And at that point, they might not have reason to declare their intention of seeking asylum at the point of entry. Mm-hmm. So some people, when they come into the UK, probably a few days or a few weeks after they arrived, circumstances changed in their host country. So They want to declare asylum. So asylum claims has to do with protection, seeking 1951 Geneva Convention protection of remaining in the country.
Right, so it is possible.
Very possible.
Yeah. The other thing, when he comes in and then he said it is a possible, he doesn't have a financial power in him to control or to bear the expense in the country. Will he be entitled to get the public funds?
That's correct. Yeah. When you come into the UK and you seek asylum, you haven't got any funds for yourself. Yes, you can. You'll be entitled to what you call asylum support funds.
So he can get the public fund to stay and the NHS and the living and boarding and all.
Yes, that is after you have registered your intention to seek asylum in the UK.
And in this type of situation, and in your practice, definitely you must have done so many cases of these type of things. Now the situation has been changed, the law has been changed, so many things been taking place. How long it takes someone to get through of this all hurdles?
Well, it is indeed very difficult to say precisely how long it takes for asylum seekers to get refugee status. In asylum claim, we have different types. We have asylum claim, asylum seekers. We have refugee status. Now, those who seek an asylum, they are always referred to asylum seeker. Right. Those who are granted, who the Home Office consider to be, for their case to be founded, they are always regarded as refugee. Now, how long does it take? It can take a while. No one can say how long that will take.
But does it goes from case to case? Some cases are very, the straightforward cases. It doesn't take less time. Complication will take longer, or it is all in one go.
Well, it depends on the circumstances of each case.
Right.
Of the asylum seekers.
Right.
If your case is pretty straightforward and you've got enough documents and Home Office is satisfied that your case is founded, your case is likely to be expedited. Right. But in some cases, the procedure follows step by step.
Right. So there are some criteria to approve and go through that.
That's correct.
Suppose someone comes in here and he seeks asylum. He's been granted to stay or he's getting the funds. But he has his family back home. in where from he come in this country, will he be able to, if his family is also in danger in his country, is it possible to bring his family and children here on these asylum things?
That's correct. If you seek asylum in the UK and you got your asylum claim granted, which is also always referred to as refugee status, and you declare that you got family back in the country where you're coming from, and your family is at risk or they're suffering imminent risk of danger, yet you can bring them into the UK under what they call family reunion.
So still his case is going on, and he can bring in there, or after the settlement he can bring?
The time your asylum claim is under consideration, which has not been decided, your family cannot be reallocated to the UK. They still have to stay in their country.
Unless his case is settled?
Until your asylum claim is granted and your case is found to be credible. Once it is found credible, you granted refugee status, which is 5 years. At that point, you can apply for your family to come and join you under the scheme known as family reunion.
Okay. Does it apply to the Afghans as well?
Yeah, that's correct. It applies to Afghan national.
Same criteria.
Same process, yes.
But what I heard about it, the Afghans, they have some liberation bringing them here. Those who have a problem there, the government is helping them, bringing them here. What is that?
Yeah, at the moment, UK government is trying to assist Afghan national who are currently seeking protection in the UK, or some who remain in Afghanistan who got a problem, and there's a scheme in place which fall under Arab, yeah, and which Home Office is assisting the Afghan national to come into the UK.
Right. We were talking to Mr. Lara about, you have learned about what is the migration and how to go through what is possibilities there. If you have any question, still you can ask from Lara in our bottom comments, or you can send email to us on madlegal.co.uk. It is already written down there. You can read on this straight down. Telephone number is 016-179-56217. And if you have anything which you don't want to discuss on the TV and you have very special things to discuss, you can always send us an email. That will all be kept in the secret, as you will be asking our suggestions or answers on that. So we will be again here sometime with Mr. Ilara here. If you have any question on the immigration or asylum or anything which you think should be answered, or you want to know something about immigration, you are always welcome, and you can ask your question from Ilara. So we will thank him too from your side as well, and thank Ilara giving your time about this. Next time definitely we will have a longer sitting with you.
Thank you, sir.
Or hopefully if you have any question, they will be asking you, and we may disturb you again one time in next coming then. Thank you very much. You are watching MLS Legal TV. Talk to you next week. Will be with us again Advocate Maqbool Malik. Keep watching MLS and keep us in your prayer. Stay blessed.
Malik Legal Solicitors. When your rights are at stake, you need experienced lawyers. Our experienced team of professionals can assist you in all matters, including immigration, civil litigation, criminal law, commercial law, family law, hearing loss, personal injury, RTA, entrepreneur, JR applications. Call us 0161 7956
0161 7956217. Malik Legal Solicitor. You're watching MLS Legal TV. Share it and like it. Channel is for you. Your question answered here. MLS Legal TV.